this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make $1,000 on Clickbank with free traffic. So this is going to be 100% free method. You don't need to invest anything into this method, guys. In the software that I'm about to show you guys, you can use it for free, and also everything is going to be for free traffic and more. So make sure to watch this video till end, guys. And also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button, because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, so you don't want to miss that out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, and also make sure to press that like button if you want to see more videos like this. So first of all, what we're going to talk about is how you can make money with Clickbank with free traffic. So not a lot of people know this method, so make sure to watch this video till end. So first of all, if you don't have a Clickbank account, it is really easy to create one. Just go on clickbank.com and click here right in the right corner, right top corner, create account. So in just a few seconds you can create Clickbank account. You can here choose your country, so make sure to enter all of this information 100% true, because if you enter wrong information, you're not going to get paid. Because how can a Clickbank know your banking information? For example, where should they send money? So you need to enter all of this information correct, so make sure to also do that. So when you create Clickbank account in less than 5 minutes, now it's time to promote Clickbank products. So I'm going to show you guys the method that not a lot of people, as I said, know this method, because not a lot of people didn't think about how you can get free traffic to Clickbank offer and earn commissions. So just to show you guys an example, if we click on affiliate marketplace, and let's go with random product. So let's go with this first one. So this product right here has on average per sale $33.66. So this means when someone buys this product, you're going to earn $33. So this is where you can see on average per sale how much you can earn from these Clickbank products. And it really depends on the product. It can go from only $10 to, let's say, $1,000 per sale. Here you can see this product you can earn $75 per sale. This one you can earn $50 per sale. So it really depends on the price of the product. And right here you can see on average per sale what percentage you're going to get from the price. So this product costs probably $37, and on average per sale you're going to earn $33 from that $37. So also you can see right here this product has enormous gravity. So what this means? Gravity actually shows us how many people are actually buying, promoting this product and getting results. So when I say results, what I mean is when someone buys this product from affiliate and they earn commission, that is a result. So this is how many successful affiliates are promoting this product, and this number is really high. So the next thing that we want to see is what type of traffic comes to this product. So I'm going to explain you guys how you can take advantage of the traffic to the product and why you can make money with free traffic. So we're going to copy this URL of this product, and when we go on this website, I'm going to show you guys, I'm about to blow your mind. So I'm going to show you guys what type of traffic is coming to this product. So here you can see in June this product got almost 300,000 viewers. So basically 300,000 people are interested in this product, and right now the number is much higher. If I say maybe 5 or 6 times higher, I really mean it. So this is one of the most popular products right now, and the traffic that comes to this product, these are the people that are highly interested in this product. So when someone is interested in this product, they want to do a research. So they want to do a research if this product is legit, if this product is going to help them. So this is a weight loss product, and they want to see if this product is going to help them. So How are they going to do it? They're probably going to go on Google or YouTube, and they're going to type in the YouTube search name of the product plus reviews. So they probably want to see review for this product. So I'm going to show you guys, as I said, 300,000 people are coming to this product. They're probably going to be interested in. So let's say only 1,000 people per month search for review of this product. So let's do a calculator. So from that 1,000 people that search for review and find your video on YouTube or Google, they're going to be, let's say, 10%, or let's say at least 7% of that 1,000 people. So 7% is 70 people are going to buy the product. So let's say how much money you're going to earn per sale. So $33 per sale times $33, that is $2,310. So I can't really tell how many people are actually going to buy it, but in my experience, conversion rate for this type of videos are 7%. On the cold traffic is around 1%. So what this means is when someone sees this product for the first time, only 1% of the people actually buy the product. But it's when someone is searching for a review of this product, they're going to be highly interested in this product. So what are you going to do is we're going to create a review for this product right here, and that is how we are going to make money. So I'm about to show you guys how you can create review video without actually recording the video, without actually being in the video. You don't need to actually even speak in the video. So I'm about to show you guys how you can do it for free and really professional. So as I said, if 1,000 people come to this product and only 7% of the people buy the product, you're going to make $2,310. That is a lot of money for one video that you can create in less than 10 minutes. So let's see how we can create those videos. So first of all, I use the software called Content Samurai. So basically, this software actually helps us create the video, and it is free for 7 days. You don't need to put your credit card information, just go and create an account. So for 7 days, this software is going to be free. After that, you need to pay for this software, but in 7 days you can see if you can make some money with this method. If you actually make some money, you can actually upgrade this software, and you can actually pay it, because if you're making, let's say, 1,000 or 2,000 or 5,000 or even $10,000 per month with this method, it is going to be easy for you guys to pay $38 or something like that per month. I'm not 100% sure. So $35 per month for this software. I actually think that it is a great price, but I'm about to show you guys how you can use it for free. So the next thing is we're going to create a review video for this weight loss offer. So what we can do is we can click on create new video, and here you can see you can choose different templates that you can actually use in your videos. So let's go with a video from an article or blog post, and let's see something related to weight loss. So I don't actually see anything related to weight loss, but we can create it a little bit later to make it look like weight loss video. So let's go with my custom template, or let's choose just random one. It doesn't really matter, because we are going to create custom template anyways. So what we want to do now is we want to enter some script. So we want to see what is the name of the product. So we want to say, hello, welcome to my name of the product review. You are probably searching to see if this product is legit. this product, and you can see when you click here on affiliate tools, let's put some random information right here because we don't want. So let's see right here, you can see that usually they provide us a lot of affiliate tools. So basically you can see what this product is about, what you can find out in this product, and this is really important, guys, because we want to learn something about the product. So basically right now they're going to relaunch this product, though they already relaunched the product, so I don't know why they don't have any affiliate tools. But you can actually contact the owner and ask them to access the product so you can do a review, or they can send you guys what this product is actually about. So you can that way know what kind of review you can do for this video, and you can get all of the information, or you can even get review copy from the product owner, so you can actually just rewrite their review, and that is how you can create review for this product. So let's create some random ones. So this product helped me lose 18 pounds in 7 days. So you can enter right here different information about the product. You can create your own story if you have one, and there is no limits on doing review for Clickbank products. So let's just copy and paste these few times. We don't want to waste time on creating content for this video. So as I said, you can actually get a review copy from the owner of the video or product, and you can actually do it in less than few seconds. So let's click on create scenes for this video, and you can actually go and search right here, so let's say weight loss. So here you can see you can choose different weight loss videos that you can actually use for free. So let's see next one. Let's use this one, or let's say this one. So we're just using some random weight loss videos, guys, because I want to show you guys that you can find almost anything related to your review in these videos. So let's not waste a lot of time. So as I show you guys, you can choose different videos for your review. When you click on voice right now, and you can actually use auto voice, so basically so you can choose here different voices that actually can read your script. So let's see this one. So here you can see it is creating scenes for us, it is building preview, and
Hello, welcome to my Cinderella solution review. You're searching to see if this product is legit. This product helped me lose 18 pounds in 7 days. Hello, welcome to my Cinderella.
So basically, you can see this looks pretty much professional, if you ask me. So you have some videos in the background that are around weight loss, and you have your script right here that is this voiceover reading right now, and basically you can see that we have a review in under a few minutes. So I actually didn't create some script for this video. As I said, you can create the script on your own, you can create from your personal experiences, or you can just go and contact the owner of this product right here. And here you can see on every Clickbank product you can see affiliate page, and here you can see where you can contact the owner of this product, and you can just ask them for review copy for their product. So you can get in these free ways your content for review. So when you're done with that, just click here on download and you can download the video and you can upload it straight to YouTube. So how you should upload these kind of videos, just go and search for the name of the product and type in review. So basically name of the product review, and you want to say like should you buy this product or something like that. So you should name your video like name of the product. I'm going to write here. So name of the product and review, and you want to say like should you buy it. So when you create those kind of videos, you want also to enter your affiliate link in description of the video. So I'm about to show you guys in a few seconds examples of these videos, but before we do it, I want to tell you guys that you want to go with fresh new products. So how you can also find fresh new products that you can do reviews on. So this website called Manjoai. So basically here you can find really big launches that are about to come. So these products aren't even launched yet, and here you can see, for example, this product right here is coming on September 3rd, and this is a Clickbank product that is going to be, this is a really big launch. And also here you can see front-end price is from $500 to $2,500. So here you can see how much money you can earn from this product if someone buys the product. So if, for example, if one person buys from you this product per month, you can earn just from one person $2,500. So that is a lot of money just from one product. So guys, these are all, here you can see on the left side are big launches, and on the right side are basically all launches all over the web. So you can go with big launches because they're going to be crazy hype. There are going to be a lot of affiliates that are going to promote this product, and there are going to be a lot of people that are interested in this kind of products and they want to see a review. So basically, if people with tons of big email lists send, let's say, this product to 500,000 people in 1 month, you can get a lot of people that are going to search for a review if they want to buy it and more. So that is where you come with your review videos. So to give you guys an example, if we go and here you can see this this review product that we're going to create. This video has, and basically they're doing the same method. So here you can see this video has 3,200 views in 1 month, and that is a lot of people. So another one 6,500 views to 3,900 views. So there are a lot of people that are doing this method, guys, and they're making money. So basically there is enough space for everyone to make reviews on. You can see there are tons and tons of different videos right here. This video has also 3,000 views, and it is not even ranked on the top. So people are going to search for different videos, different reviews, and when someone clicks on your affiliate link right here, this is affiliate link. When someone clicks on this affiliate link and buy the product, you're going to earn a commission. So basically, guys, that is how you can make money with this method. So you don't actually need to go and waste a lot of time on creating professional video, because the information that you're going to give your viewers in this video is the most important one. So guys, that would be it for today's video. If you want to see more videos like these, guys, make sure to press that like button. And also, if you want to see how you can optimize the videos to get views, like for example this video right here, how this video got 3,300 views. If you want to see that in the next video, make sure to press that like button and type in comment selection that you want to see SEO for YouTube. So that will be it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure also to press that subscribe button. See you soon, and bye.